Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to create text shortcuts on iPhone 16e. Let's begin. So, all you want to do is go to the settings, in here head to the general, then scroll down a little and find keyboard. Inside the keyboard we want to go into text replacement. And here we have currently all our shortcuts made in this on this phone. We can hit the plus icon here, and now we can basically choose what we want to, how we want to set up our shortcut. Here is the shortcut itself. So, for example, I will type KK, and the phrase will automatically swap it to OK. Then we simply hit save, and now we have this little shortcut right here. So now let's head to the notes. I don't care about that. And if we do a new note, we'll see that after we type in KK, it automatically suggests us to use OK instead. But I actually disable it. Yep, it automatically changes on that. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.